So as you're hosting a website, what happens is that a lot of people will interact with your site in different ways. And if you want to control out how your audience or users will actually interact with the site, you can go around over here onto the settings right here and then go to the discussion section. So over here you can see that it says default article settings. So attempt to notify any blog links from the article. So you can go around and notify it out, as you can see right here, for the users, and allow link notification from other blogs as well if you want. You can also go ahead and allow people to post comments on new articles. So you can disable the comments altogether, or you can enable it out right here. So for the comments right here, you got a separate setting. So you can see that it says let visitors use a wordpress.com or Facebook account to comment right here. You can disable this out, and then they won't be able to comment using those accounts. You can also enable blocks and comments, as you can see right here. You can disable it so that they can post whatever they want, but you do want to go ahead and then leave it on right here. So right now it says leave a comment right here. So if I were to go around over here, you can use a light color scheme right here, a dark right here, and then add in, let's say for example, leave a comment right here. Comment if you want. So you can go ahead and add in the message that you want in the comment section as well. So there's many different sections over here where it contains how the comment actually is handled. For example, comment author must fill out name and email, as you can see right here. Or yeah, you can disable this out right here. So it says users must be registered and logged in to comment. You can disable this out so that the public can comment, and so forth right here. So there's other settings as well, like you can automatically close comments on articles older than 14 days or 15 days, and enable threaded or nested comments up to 3 levels or even 10 levels deep right here. You can break comments into pages if necessary, and you can also display it in older comments section on the top, and use markdowns for comments if you want to. And you can also get more information on markdowns from over here, just like this. So it says you allow readers to use markdowns in comments right here, and you can learn more about it as well. So apart from that, you can also get email notifications when anyone posts a comment. So you can enable or disable this as you please, and then you can also get an email if a comment is held for moderation. If someone likes one of my posts, you can enable email newsletter for this, and so forth right here. If someone reblogs one of the posts or shares it out, you can get an email. You can also get an email if someone follows the blog, or leave it as it is. Before a comment appears, you can also choose to manually appear each and every comment right here, or comment the author must be previously approved comment right here. So if previously you have approved it, then if that person actually goes ahead and submits it again, then what happens is that it'll be posted automatically. So here it says hold a comment in the queue if it contains 2 or more links, or 1 or more links right here. And you can also go ahead and it says when a comment contains one of these words right here, it'll be held in moderation queue. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say visit or contact. Let's say for example, you can go ahead and then add in these lines right here, just like this. So one word or IP per line, it'll match inside the word. So press this will match WordPress, as you can see right here. So you can also go ahead and then disallow comments when, let's say for example, certain thing is actually included. Let's say for example, when a comment contains any of these words in the content, name, URL, or email. Let's say for example, I'm going to go around and say bad or spam or block. Let's say for example, if someone has these words, I don't want the comment to go in, so it'll be automatically be disallowed. So you can go ahead and save all of these settings right here, and then you can control out how the users actually interact with your sites through comments inside of wordpress.com. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.